Hey guys, welcome back. So this is day 2, look 2 of my Valentine's Day eyeshadow tutorials. So today I'm going to show you how to do this really pretty blue, white, and orange as I promised you in the last one. I love it. It's different. It's definitely not your traditional pink or red or, all those other things. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is put my eyeshadow shields on. Alright, so today I'm going to use the P. Louise base. This is brand new. It just came in the mail yesterday, so I'm super excited. And now, just like yesterday, I'm going to apply it all over my eye. Next, I'm going to go in with my transition shade, which is going to be a light blue. What I'm going to be using is Jeffree Star's Thirsty palette. And I'm going to go in with this shade right here. Next, I'm going to go in with a shade from the Color Rain Vivid Pigments collection. And I'm going to go in with this one right here and this one right here. It's just going to be a mix of both of them. Okay, so then our next step is going to be to cut the crease. So again, we can get that nice white shade. Again, I'm going to go in with the P. Louise base. This time I'm actually going to put it on a palette and use a flat concealer brush. And I actually am going to use the P. Louise brush as well. So just like we did yesterday, I'm going to look up. I found my guideline. Okay, after I applied that all over the place, I'm going to immediately put a white shadow in that corner. Doesn't matter what kind of white shadow. I'm going to go in with from the Pastel Goth, the Kat Von D's white. For whatever reason, she makes like amazing white eyeshadows. So I'm just going to put that right in the corner and immediately set it. And then I'm going to go back in with that two blues combination and throw that in the corner. I do want to use it while it's wet. That way the colors will come out more pigmented. Perfect. So now I'm going to go in with another P. Louise product, which I'm very, very excited about. I'm telling you guys, I waited weeks to get this, and that is their color bases. So you can use this as I did in my first step, or I can use it as eyeliner. So that's what I'm going to do today. And then I'm going to take a liner brush. And go to work. Okay. So next what I'm going to do is go in with a angled brush and just go in with an orange and just set that in. Okay, so then my next step is going to do my waterline. So I'm going to go in with Jeffree Star's Liquid Lipstick Velour, and it's called Flamethrower. And I'm going to go back in with that liner brush. Okay. Perfect. Now, what goes up must come down. So then I'm going to go back in with that Jeffree Star Thirsty palette. And I'm going to go in with this blue right here. And that's going to go under my eye. Mascara. All right, and then last but not least, I decided that I want to throw a little bit of an audible, and I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty How Many Carats, and I'm just going to put that under my brow. And there we go. We just did our blue, white, and orange eyeshadow look. Let me know what you think. Let me know what other looks you want to try. And, you know, enjoy. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye, guys.